Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is That Geeky Gal and my name is Gracie. Today I have for you this chocolate frog inspired ornament for day 5 of 12 days of Harry Potter Christmas. This ornament can be done in 2 different ways, the front with the chocolate frog and the back that just says chocolate frog. I hope you enjoy this and you subscribe to my channel for more. Okay, so the chocolate frog was one of the first things I ever saw in a Harry Potter movie that I loved because I love candy and I love chocolate. So just to see a chocolate frog be awake, oh my gosh, was everything. So let's go ahead and let's get started. As always, links will always be down in the description box below. So the first thing we're going to need is a piece of cardboard, a Pentagon template. You're also going to need some red, some blue paint, and a little bit of white acrylic paint, paintbrush. This is a gold marker. This is a plastic frog from the dollar store, some brown acrylic paint, some twine, a hole puncher, some scissors, and your glue gun and glue stick. Alright, so I went ahead and found this template online and I'll link it down below. And all you're going to have to do is just cut that template out. You can use the whole template if you wanted to make the whole box, but I just want to make the card. So I'm going to be using, like you see, I had thought about doing everything, but I'm just going to be using the Pentagon shape. So the first thing I need to do is go ahead and trace my Pentagon shape onto a piece of cardboard. And with scissors or X-Acto knife, you can go ahead and cut it out. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and paint this. Now, let me tell you what happened here, you guys. So, I ended up finding this beautiful purple paint that is the same color as any box, right? First of all, I had messed up because I painted it purple when I should have painted it white first. So I should have painted a white base in order to get rid of that brown color and make sure the purple actually showed up nicely. So I went ahead and did that, but let me just tell you guys that I messed up because the purple paint that I bought was actually like a gloss finish. So when I tried putting something on top of it, it wasn't working out. So now that I figured it was a gloss paint, I was like, oh darn it, what am I gonna do? But as you can see though, the white paint at the back for the base makes a difference in the color. Okay, so let me show you now. I went ahead and found these little favors at the dollar store in their like party section, and these frogs really reminded me of a chocolate frog. So I was gonna paint the frog brown, I swear you guys, but I forgot to paint it and I couldn't find my film, so I took some pictures. I had to repaint one and took some pictures of it for you guys.
Rotten luck.
But anyways, it's okay. I ended up retaking a picture. Okay, so let me show you what happened. I was originally going to use this gel pen, like I had used in my glasses for Luna Levka. I used a circle to make a template to, you know, write down a circle, but as soon as I removed the template, I ended up noticing that it wasn't showing up. I freaked out, you guys. I was like, what in the world's going on? Well, it was because it's a gloss finish. So, if you run into this problem, what you can do is make sure that you get matte acrylic paint. Now, we pretty much all know that the colors red and blue make purple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you what I ended up doing to fix this problem. I just went ahead and mixed red and purple with a little bit of white until I got the color that I was looking for. And that purple I thought was perfect for this ornament. So what I ended up doing to fix what I already had was I just repainted it. So let me show you. I was trying to do it with the gel pen, and the gel pen still wasn't giving me the effect I wanted. So instead of using the gel pen, this is when I decided, you know what, I should use a sharpie. And I found this gold sharpie, and all I'm gonna do is I'm going to trace. So this is the image for our chocolate frog box. You're gonna start with a circle inside the middle. After making your circle, you're gonna line each side of the pentagon until each side connects to each other. Once you have your 5 sides, you're going to make circles in between where the sides connected, and there's some space between that and the circle that you made. Next, we're going to make 4 circles. Our first circle is going to start at the top of the pentagon, the very top corner, and then the bottom one's going to be right down from that one, and you're going to make 2 more to the left and the right. All 4 circles are going to be connected with what looks like an M shape. Once you make your M shape, the 4 circles, the bigger ones, are going to be connected by like an arc that connects to the middle of each M shape. And you're going to do this for both the front and the back, and then I added a little bit of detail in the middle. So there's my front, and I'm going to do that on the back side as well, and there it is. Now, it's okay if it's not perfect, you guys know. But here it is, it's giving me the effect that I really liked, so I loved doing this. Now I'm going to write in the middle on one side chocolate frog, and on the other side I'm going to paste my little plastic frog. So I went ahead and wrote down chocolate frog, and you guys, I did mess up the first time. I didn't like the way chocolate came out. And you know what? You can fix that too. Just go ahead and grab some of your paint over it, let it dry, and I fixed it. So on the other side, I went ahead and just glued on my chocolate frog. Now for the chocolate frog, I did use a satin finish for the acrylic paint, so it made it look nice and like it was actual chocolate, you guys. My daughter saw it and she was like, oh, it looks so yummy. So all I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna grab a hole punch, and I'm gonna punch at the very top corner so I can go ahead and loop through some twine because it is an ornament. And what I love about this is if you don't want it to be an ornament, you can always just remove the twine later on and have it anywhere on your bookshelf. So once we go ahead and double knot that, here it is, all nice and done on my tree. I love this, you guys. I think the camera doesn't make it justice, to be quite honest. It looks amazing. That chocolate frog looks just like chocolate. It looks yummy. And the other side looks so adorable as well, and you can always flip it. So if you like this, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, please share this video, you guys. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, you guys. Bye.